Morning, doggy. Good morning. I am on my way to do a trek to the bamboo forest, which is about 30 minutes, 45 minutes away from here. And then I can keep going to a waterfall, a very small waterfall where you can swim. It should take about 5 hours in total. It's 10 a.m. right now. I should be back by 3. Hello. Last night there was a cockroach on the mosquito net outside my bed. I wanted to ask for help, but it was almost midnight, so I didn't want to bother them. But eventually the cockroach went outside to the balcony through the gap from the door at the bottom. So I just stuffed the gap with like plastic bags and slept. I slept pretty well. Xin chào. Xin chào. Oh, there's so many of them. Wow, look at their horns. Oh my god, they're so beautiful. Wow. Oh my god, this cow is posing for me. Oh, look at this baby cow. 와, 너무 예쁘게 생겼다, 진짜. 어떡하면 좋니? 어머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머머momomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomomo took like 10,000 photos. Hello! Oh my god, I don't have any food for you, but I wish I did. You're so sweet. 어머, 어떡해. Look at this guy's face. 어머, 어떻게 저렇게 예쁘게 생겼지? Look at the eyelashes. Is it being anxious because of me? Okay, I'll leave. I don't know if it's being friendly or anxious, but they're so cute. Oh my god. Wow. Alright, today's already done. I'm so happy right now. Oh, my heart just melted. Alright. Calm down, guys. Let's just savor this moment. So I think this is like kind of like the main town area in Taiwan, which is a lot smaller than Sapa. Oh, you're good looking. Oh wow, there's lots of chickens. Oh, there's so many dogs here. I love it. Wow, look at this. That is so cool. Some kind of a gallery here. Oh, that's a nice photo. Oh, this is a really nice area. Wow. This is so pretty. Alright. I can't be stopping at every interesting place. Never gonna make it. Oh, this is so cute. Wow. Man, when I have my own place, I'm gonna interior design the shit out of it. It's gonna be so nice. But for now, I enjoy traveling, finding a home wherever I go. But this, my heart, is my home. I'm always at home. There are so many homestays here, and I'm realizing how my place is literally like up on the hills in the middle of nowhere. It's all secluded. Xin chào. Oh, baby. So
Where
cute.
you from?
I'm from Canada.
Canada. Where you going now?
Hiking.
Hiking. What's
Yeah.
your name?
Jasmin.
Jasmin.
Nice to meet you.
Today you're right here or yesterday?
Yesterday.
How old are you?
이쪽이 아닌가? Oh, I think this way. Yeah. I go by myself. It's okay. Are you following me?
Yeah, I follow you.
No, it's okay. I don't have anything to offer.
Follow you later shopping somewhere?
No, I don't have any cash on me. No money, yeah.
Okay, something small.
I have no cash. Yeah, no money. Thank you. Come on. Bye-bye. I heard this would happen. And there were some negative reviews about it. But, I mean, that's how they make a living. What can you do about it? You just have to smile and say no. And the best way to say it is, I don't have any money. Like, they can't do anything about that. So, but this is not a bad trek. Whew. I'm out of breath already. This means I'm on the right way. And there's a little cow here too. So, wow, check out this view already. Okay, it's such a steep uphill. Oh, hello. Oh, hi, baby. Hi, xin chào. 안녕. I'm sure those girls will be flying through these roads. Oh my god. Look at this. Oh my lord. Okay, wait, I need to take a breath before I go up this hill. That is so steep. I don't think you can see. It almost looks like it's 90 degrees. I just came up this hill and I believe this is the way to go to the bamboo forest. I don't know if it just keeps going and connects to the waterfall or have to come back to hike this way. But I'm really hoping it connects because this is tough. Oh my god, this is literally a forest. Whoa, I've never seen this many bamboo trees before. It's so cool. I hear music somewhere. Oh, it's so cool in here. Oh, this is nice. Whew. I don't think this is the entrance because they clearly blocked it. So there was another pathway. Well, I think it's that way, so I think I'll just... Oh, there's so many bugs. Oh, shit. I gotta shower myself with repellent. Oh, this is a bad idea. I don't know the way here, and there isn't really a clear path. I do hear the water, and I hope that's the waterfall. Oh, I feel like I'm covered in mosquitoes. Oh, spider! Oh, I think I'm on the right path. Oh wait, this is just a freaking rice field. Right. I was hoping this would connect to a rice field, to a waterfall, but it's a rice field, so I think I'm just gonna head back. I think it's better to just go back to the main road. I've already seen the bamboo forest. This is good enough. I'm being eaten alive here, so I just hope I can find my way back. I really want a shower in the waterfall. Oh, there's so many spider webs. I haven't seen any big spiders yet. I saw one tiny one. Okay, I can do this. I got this. Yay, I made it out alive. Oh, okay. Oh, now I have to go up this. Oh my god. Wow, should I go back home? 저거 뭐냐 진짜? Okay, even Google Maps is lying. 1.7 kilometers. It says it's mostly flat. Mostly flat my ass. Am I going the wrong way? Oh, this is the right road. Man, that swim is gonna be so nice. Oh. I really need to learn how to ride a bike. If you guys know a good place to practice with flat land, big roads, no cars, no people, let me know. Oh, wow. Oh, okay. This is nice. Oh. Xin chào. You have the sweetest smiles. I love it. It's so beautiful. I just hope I'm going the right way. Oh my god, this is the coolest little thing I've ever seen. What is this? Wow, it's so beautiful. Look at the colors. It's like a tiger. Holy! Wow, so pretty. You're gonna turn into a butterfly. Wow, 너무 예쁘다. If I came here with a guide, it would have been so much easier for sure, but there's no getting lost and exploring the area and just kind of figuring it out yourself as you go. And when I get there, it's gonna feel amazing. Oh, it's so cool. Oh, it feels so good. Oh my god. So refreshing. Oh. Wow, they have these like water hoses coming down from the mountain to water the rice fields. That's so cool. Hello. Waterfall this way. Thank you. I'm on the right path. I hope I don't have to come back up this way. It's already so slippery. Ah. Holy mother. Oh, Jesus. Oh. I've seen a black chicken before, but never black chicks. They're so cute. Oh my god, I found it. Yes.
Where are you from?
From Canada.
Canada.
Hello.
Where's Jasmin?
It's okay, thank you. Xin chào. Oh, baby, cute baby. 안녕. Katu. Ooh. Uh-huh. Bye bye. This place is more commercial than I thought it would be. Thought it was gonna be like in the wild. Oh, finally I made it. Oh, my top is drenched. You guys want to say hi?
Yeah.
Are you traveling for a while?
Yeah, we're traveling for like a month and a half. Like I'm traveling for a month and a half, and like each one is like kind of going their own way too.
Oh, okay, wow, nice. I had so much fun here, and I was gonna eat, but the food doesn't look too good here, so I'm gonna start heading back. Oh, he's playing with sand, just like I was when I was little. Hello! It's a big, big dong. Is that your poop? Oh, so pretty.
Hi there. Wow.
I found a random big mart, so I picked up some face cleanser and a foot and shoe deodorant for my climbing shoe. Oh my god, I love these individual packaged chicken feet. I mean, I don't eat them, but I think it's just so funny that they sell it like this. Very convenient. Hello. Hi, puppy. Oh, okay. Sorry. Left to go to Tavan. 2 kilometers back to my place. 30 minutes still. Xin chào. I like your headband. Perfect timing. I was so tired. It's very beautiful here.
Maybe I drop you here to be sure.
Oh, it's hard to go up? Okay.
Yeah, it's quite steep.
Alright, see ya. Oh yeah, it's very steep and narrow. Wow, that saved a lot of walking. This chicken just casually walking through the rice fields. Ah, home sweet home. What a day. Oh, hello lizard. There's one just right here. I don't mind lizards. I don't mind butterflies. I love butterflies. I just wish there's no cockroach here tonight. I brought this from Hanoi for this reason because I knew there would be some trekking. I didn't know there would be water activity involved, but this is perfect. Ah. Mmm. Mmm. This is it. It's perfectly cooked. Al dente. Oh my god. Man, I should have put something on it. I have not littered in like more than 20 years at least, I think. Oh, I feel so bad. It's not at a place where I can pick it up. Oh my god.
Hello. Gobble, 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 gobble.
I got the worst tan ever. Oh my goodness. The lobster. I don't know what this is. Like, did I put some sunscreen on like this? But like, oh my god, that is so bad. Actually hurts a little bit. Why are you here by yourself? Why are you crying? Are you bored? It's okay. Oh, don't cry. Hello. 왜 그래? 다쳤어? Why is he crying? Did he fall maybe? Hello. What's your name? Huh? Mai. Hi, Mai. Oh, you have a puppy. Hello. Hi, puppy. 앉아도 되나? Bye bye. So cute. They're so shy. Well, at least he stopped crying. Noah Cafe. I got hungry. It's 2:23 right now. Hello. 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 Wow, they really sleep. Hello. Hi. Oh, sorry. Are you open? Yes. Okay. Lots of ants. The thing about beautiful places like this in nature, there's lots of bugs and critters, so you gotta come prepare for that. Wow. Thank you so much. That's amazing. Oh my god. The fat and the skin part is like custard. Vietnamese rice is so good. I don't know how they make it this chewy. It's almost like rice cake. Baby. 어, 이렇게 억울하게 생겼어. So fluffy, so fluffy. Hey, look at this tail. 미친 거 아니야, 진짜? 어머나, 어머나, 어머나. 어머머머머, 어머머머. How cute chicken is. Come here. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Come here. 옳지. 아이고 잘한다. Yes. You're almost there. You're doing it. You're great job. Come here. Yeah. Oh, friendly. Come here. 아이고 잘한다. 아이고 좋아. 아이고 좋아. 아이고 좋아. Oh my goodness, I could just adopt you right now. 어떡하면 좋아. 어떻게 이렇게 생겼어. Picking it up with his hands. Oh, you're so pretty. Oh, look at your eyebrows. Who gave you these pretty eyebrows? Huh? Your mommy or your daddy? You're so cute. Man, I love these country dogs. Oh, you have a collar. Oh, your collar's kind of tight. Wait, isn't this collar too tight on you? Oh, it's like leather and it's not even adjustable. It's like a custom collar. Can I cut this for you? I feel like she has some like fat that's just flopping out, like a belly flop out of this collar because it's too tight on her. But like, look, she's so skinny here. Huh? 누가 그랬어? Who did this to you? I feel like this is way too tight. I wish I could cut it for you. Should I just do it? Who's your owner? Who's your owner? Did you eat? You hungry? You hungry, girl? You have little blush on you too. Oh, you're so pretty. How'd you come up here? Huh? Do you want some friend? 아이고 이뻐. 아이고. 허리 아파. You wanna play? You wanna play? I'm trying to play with you. 싫어? One last look at this view. Time to leave on to the next adventure. But I really hope to come back. Thank you so much for everything. Oh my god! Do you see that bee coming out?